Fun and easy Thai phrases you need to know when you come traveling in Thailand.
By the way, this is new face in friend from Thailand, right?
Hello everyone, my name is Amy and I'm your new friend from Thailand. And in today's video is going to be my first video ever. I hope you guys enjoy it and nice to meet you all.
Don't forget to hit like this video to keep her motivated, right? She's quite new here. We come up with a topic to teach you guys how to speak Thai. A very basic and very
Easy. I mean, as the Thai person, I think it's easy, but I'm not sure about you guys, but we will learn it today.
Let's see.
And before we get started, there's a rule that you need to know. In order to make your sentences or your question become more polite and respectful, since it's the thing that Thai people take it really serious, you will always have to end your sentences with the word krap and ka. These two words are based on the gender of the person who's speaking. So if you're a male, you would like to end it with krap, and if you're a female, you would like to end it with ka. These two words will make everything get more soft and polite. And the first word we will learn today is the word hello. In Thai we say สวัสดี and as I mentioned before, if you're a male, you will say สวัสดีครับ if you're a female, you will say สวัสดีค่ะ and when you say สวัสดี you can do the Y thing. Y is when you put your hand together like this. You can do it with me right now. Put your hand together and put your head down. Y is to show more respect to the person you're speaking with, especially when they are older than you. And also the word สวัสดี can also use as a goodbye. When you arrive, you say สวัสดีค่ะ When you leaving, you can say สวัสดีค่ะ also. The word yes and no are used in different contexts. If someone asking you whether something is right or wrong, you can say ใช่ as a yes and ไม่ใช่ as a no. But if someone asking you about your ability to do something, you can say ได้ as a yes or can, or ไม่ได้ as a no or cannot. And if in case you're coming in Thailand and then you're walking around, you're traveling around and there's someone nagging you to buy something or to do something that you don't want to, you can just tell them ไม่ to tell them that you are not interested in doing so, or you can make it more polite by saying ไม่ครับ or ไม่ค่ะ. And next word is when you have a conversation and you wanted to make friends with Thai people. You would like to ask them how are you? And in Thai we say สบายดีไหม and don't forget, if you're a male you will say สบายดีไหมครับ and if you're a female you will say สบายดีไหมคะ or if someone asking you สบายดีไหม you would like to say I'm good, I'm fine, and in Thai we say สบายดีครับ สบายดีค่ะ. And the next word is when you wanted to say thank you. In Thai we say ขอบคุณ and when you're saying ขอบคุณ you can also add the Y thing again. For example, ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณครับ. And to say sorry or excuse me, in Thai we say ขอโทษค่ะ. It's work in both ways, whether when you wanted to say sorry to someone when you accidentally bump into someone, or you wanted to say excuse me, ขอโทษค่ะ can you help me with something, for example. And to say no worries or it's okay, in Thai we say ไม่เป็นไร ไม่เป็นไร. And next is the word อะไร in English it means what. And the word อะไร you can make it more polite and make it more soft by adding the word นะ when you're adding the word นะ after the word อะไร it's gonna become อะไรนะ which means beg your pardon. When someone's speaking Thai to you and you feel like it's too fast and you don't understand, you can just say อะไรนะ to say beg your pardon. And this is really important when you come traveling in Thailand and you wanted to ask someone if they can speak English. You would like to say พูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม พูด means speak, ภาษาอังกฤษ mean English language. ได้ไหม mean can you. So basically you're just asking them can they speak in English. And then when someone trying to speak Thai with you and you feel like it's too fast, you can't understand it, you wanted to tell them that you don't understand, you can say it in Thai by saying ไม่เข้าใจ ไม่เข้าใจ. And don't forget, if you want to make it more polite, you can add ครับ or ค่ะ based on your gender. And the thing that you need to know when you come traveling here in Thailand is that sometimes Thai people will keep speaking Thai with you even though they know that you don't understand. So in order to let them know that you cannot speak Thai, you can just say พูดไทยไม่ได้ พูดไทยไม่ได้ so that they will know that you cannot speak Thai and they will stop speaking Thai with you. And here come the useful word when you come traveling in Thailand and when you're taking taxi. When you're taking taxi, as you know that Thai taxi are going by meter, but in case some of the taxi didn't put on the meter, if they wanted to scam you, you can just say กดมิเตอร์ด้วย กดมิเตอร์ด้วย That word will help you avoid getting scammed by the taxi driver. And if you want to learn more about the scamming in Thailand, you can check out this video right here to learn more about it. And when you're taking taxi and you wanted to tell them to bring you to the places that you wanted to go, in Thai we say ไปที่ and then the place you want to go. For example, you wanted to go to Khao San Road, you will say ไปที่ข้าวสารครับ ไปที่ข้าวสารค่ะ And the next verse is really important if you don't want to pee your pants when you come traveling in Thailand. If you wanted to ask where's the toilet, because you can't hold it anymore, you can say it in Thai by saying ห้องน้ำอยู่ไหน ห้องน้ำอยู่ไหน or you can remember it short by saying the word ห้องน้ำ ห้องน้ำ mean toilet. And if you can't hold it anymore, you just show the facial expression, show your body language and say ห้องน้ำ just ask them ห้องน้ำ I'm pretty sure Thai people will be able to point you to the ห้องน้ำ. And next is when you go shopping, you would like to ask how much is this thing. You can say อันนี้เท่าไหร่ อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะ or อันนี้เท่าไหร่ครับ in order you want to make it more polite. อันนี้ mean this one and เท่าไหร่ mean how much. And if after you ask about the price and you still feel like it's too expensive and you want to ask for the discount, you can say ลดได้ไหม ลดได้ไหม And about Thai people, they always adore when foreigners speaking Thai. So make sure you make it cute or make it polite by adding the word ครับ or ค่ะ so they will give you a discount. And if you would like to order something when you go to the restaurant, you can just say เอา and then the thing that you want to order. For example, I wanted to order ส้มตำ I would say เอาส้มตำครับ เอาส้มตำค่ะ. And when you're in Thailand, you already know that Thai food are really spicy. And if you don't want your food to be spicy, you can just say ไม่เผ็ด to be not spicy at all. And if you want to be a little bit spicy, you can just say เผ็ดนิดหน่อย เผ็ดนิดหน่อย นิดหน่อย means just a little bit. So เผ็ดนิดหน่อย means just a little bit spicy. But if you want to challenge yourself, you want to eat really spicy food, you can just say เผ็ดมาก Mak means a lot, so เผ็ดมาก means really spicy. And of course, when you're eating spicy food, you would like to drink water after. So in Thai, when you wanted to ask for water to drink, you can say ขอน้ำเปล่าหน่อยครับ ขอน้ำเปล่าหน่อยค่ะ. And next are the useful words, especially when you go to the food market. Because sometimes you don't like to eat pork or sometimes you don't like to eat beef. So it's really important for you to know the Thai word for different type of meat. Start with the first one. Pork, in Thai we say หมู and beef, in Thai we say เนื้อ Fish is ปลา and chicken is ไก่ And now that you know the Thai word for each type of meat, you don't have to worry about getting the wrong type of meat that you don't like anymore. And these are the Thai phrases that we can think of. If you think that we're missing something or you wanted to suggest more, don't forget to comment it down below.
We make more video about it.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope this video is going to be useful for you all.
Hit like for your new friend.
My name is Emmy.
My name is Chon.
Your new friend from Thailand.
Like, can't we always stay